Okay, for graphing inequalities, first we need to go over the different symbols and how we would graph them on a number line. These first two symbols, greater than or less than, you're going to use an open circle on your number line and then shade the numbers on the number line that would fall in that area. For greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, you're going to put a closed circle on the number line at the given number, and then shade either to the right or the left the numbers that are included in that area. Looking at number 1, we're given x is greater than 3. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is place 3 on my number line. Because this is a greater than sign, I'm going to put an open circle on 3, and then I need to shade the numbers that would be included that are greater than 3. Now remember, as we move to the right on the number line, these numbers get bigger, and as we move to the left, our numbers are going to get smaller. So the numbers in the area x is greater than 3 are going to include numbers such as 4, 5, and so on. So we shade all the way over here and include this arrow because that number is going to continue, and it does not stop until infinity.